up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my January Boxycharm base box. Now, most of you know what Boxycharm is and what it's about, but for those of you who don't, I will have a link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's see what I got for the month of January. Okay, guys, so, woo! Here's my box. So let's open her up and take a sneak peek. I gotta say, guys, I miss the foam they used to put in these things because I used to use it, but they're putting this stuff in here now. So anyways, here's a sneak peek at my box, and let's see what's inside. As I've told many of you who watch me often, I never check or like do the choices or any of that stuff, so I really truly have no idea what I'm gonna get in my box. I just don't have time for all that. Okay, so it's Boxycharm Refresh. Oh, that's a pretty card. Should I use that for something? I'm just saying, it could be a spring kind of a thing. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it in DIY. Maybe I won't. All right, so they do have a list of all the products that I got in the box, and as usual, I didn't tally them up. I am terrible about that. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, so we have the, how many times am I going to say all right? I don't know how many times I said it already. At any rate, here we go. It's Dermalect Revital Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Okay, I am not mad at this. I do like getting stuff like this. I just feel like I'm getting a lot of it in my most recent boxes, so I feel like I'm getting kind of dark circle overload. I mean, have they been watching my videos? Do I look like I have like major dark circles or what? I don't know. Okay, guys, but here it is outside of the little box here. I am happy to have it. I'm not mad about it, but you know, it just kind of makes me wonder. All right, let's see. Dermalect. Oh, baby. How much do you get in here? This is 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 milliliters, and the cost for this product is $59. I'm just saying, this stuff better work. Okay, let's jump into the next thing here. Oh, looks like I got a palette. That's cool. That's not what I'm showing you now, though. That does look like I got one. What is this? Anastasia Beverly Hills. Does this go with something? I have a feeling this goes with something because this... Here we go. Oh, Dip Brow Pomade. Okay. So I have this. Here's that. And then what I picked up, though, was the brush here that goes with it. And I'm like, that can't be all they're giving me is just this brush, right? So let me go ahead and open this up, guys, because I wonder if they gave me the right color. Lately, I've been getting... Oh, it's a gel. It's a brow gel. Never mind. Here it is outside the thing. So it's clear. It's a gel. I kept thinking that it would be, you know, like black or brown or something for my... to match my eyebrows, but that's not the case. All right, guys, let's jump into, what is this called? Anastasia Beverly Hills. Here it is. The retail price of that product is $39. How much do you get for 39 buckaroos? 4 grams or 0.14 fluid ounces. I don't know. I might use it. I might not. We'll have to see. I might give it to my niece. Okay, so then I have a lip pencil by Mellow. I do like these lip pencils, I gotta say. So I'm guessing this right here is the color of the pencil. Let's go ahead and pull it out of here and check it out. So here it is outside the thing, guys, really quick. And let me go ahead and pop this off and hopefully not mess it up. Ooh. Okay, guys. So there's your color right there. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my skin. Okay. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see that. It's right there. I'm not mad at that at all. And it went on really nicely. I like these crayon lip liners. Let's see the value for that. About 20 bucks or something. Oh, no. The value for that product is $15. So that's not astronomical. I was expecting about 20 bucks. Ooh, I almost dropped my little card. All right. Let's see what else we got here. So we have a Context matte lipstick. Okay. Is that going to go with my little, you know, what did I just show you? A lip pencil? I am sort of with it, guys, but I guess sort of not. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got in here lipstick-wise. A matte lipstick. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like outside of the little box here. Let's pop her open, and ooh, that's not a bad color. And it does very much go with that crayon that I just showed you. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, yeah. Wow. It's a great color. It's right there, guys. I really enjoy that color. I'm just saying. I think I'm going to like that one a lot. Went on really nice, but, you know, we'll have to see how it works on my lips. What is that called again? Context matte lipstick. The value for that product is $20. Okay, so now we're in the grand finale. Dun, da, da, da. I have a Wonder Beauty Wonderlust Escape eyeshadow palette. Okay, guys. Ooh, I'm looking at the, oh, the colors are pretty. Okay, so let me show you the back of this. Look, guys, the colors look like they're going to be so pretty. Let's go ahead and pop this open and see if they're as pretty as they are in the packaging here. I hope I can open this up without messing it up too much because I started a channel just for shorts, and I'm going to have just unboxing shorts. So I do short videos for all of this stuff for those of you who aren't interested in seeing this full commentary and all that kind of stuff. I have links to those channels in the description box below. I just started them, so there's not very many videos on them, and I think I still have 0 subscribers, which is awesome. Okay, so here it is outside of the packaging here. Awesome. And oh, wow. This is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. I am digging this palette. Look how pretty those colors are. I really love this blue here and this pink right here. I think those are going to be gorgeous. I am super excited to give this a go, guys. Wow. Should I try the pink and the blue? Oh, wow. These are pretty colors. Okay. They're not going on my skin very well, but it's, I mean, I don't even know why I bother swatching, guys, because most of the time I say this, you know, and it's like you can't really see it very good on my skin here. But once I put a primer on my eyes and all that kind of stuff, it really makes this stuff pop. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and tally up what the total was for this month. I'll come back, do a quick recap, and let you know the total for this month's box. Okay, guys, so I was so in a hurry to get to the totals that I totally forgot to tell you the value of the palette. But the value for that palette was $42, but we're going to do a recap, so you're going to hear it in the recap, so let's go. All right, we'll start with the Wonder Beauty Wonderlust Escape eyeshadow palette. The value for that product is $42. Then we have the Dermalect Cosmessentials Revital Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. The value for that product is $59. And then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Is it pomade? I don't know, whatever. Brush 7B Dual-Ended Angled Brush Set. And the value for that product is $39. Then we have the Contact Skin Matte Lipstick, and the value for that product was $20. And the final product that I have in my box this month is the Mellow Cosmetics Gel Lip Pencil, and the value for that product is $15, making the grand total for this month's box $175. Okay, guys, so I paid $25 a month. I think this one didn't go up. I don't know. Maybe it's going to go up. I really don't know. I think I actually pay a little bit less because I do it yearly. I think they give you a little bit of a discount, but I know it used to be $25 a month. I'm really not sure if it increased or not, but I will have a link to the Boxycharm website in the description box below for anyone who is interested in getting this box. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Hey, my name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my January Boxycharm. Okay, try it again. Now everybody pretty much knows what Boxycharm is and what it's about, but just in case those of you who... I'm making 0 sense. Okay, reel it in and try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my... Yep. That one. That's what happens when you film multiple videos. They all mesh together and you can't remember what it is you want to say. I'm just saying. Let's try it again.